What's going on? So, about to set off to Dotshill Quarry, and as you can just about hear, it is raining, but either way we're going to get wet. So the quarry has got loads and loads of magnesium actually in the water, so that should be quite therapeutic, quite beneficial. But either way, bit of cold exposure. Going to pick Josh up now, so when I turn the camera back on, hopefully Josh will be with us, and then as if by magic Josh is here, so I'm setting off now. Your message saying are we doing it or not? I was just like, just sort of better to regret something you did than something you didn't do.
Well, we won't regret it.
No, I don't think we will. We'll make the best of it.
Yeah.
This is a rate bus. Oh, don't want to bother opening your own door, do you?
Hello.
Nice to meet you. You alright? No, this is it. It's the first time.
This leg is killing me.
Well, good swim.
Like, seriously, 4 hours it's taken.
I can't wait to get your reaction as you see the lake.
Kind of just like that.
There you go, John. Well done. I'm cool.
So please.
Absolutely smashed it. I'm so chuffed that you decided to come down and have a little swim with us. And Josh, obviously the big man, he could have spent all day in there, in his element, just swimming around quite happily. I was getting quite cold towards the end, so water temperature was about 17 degrees, which is fine. It's not particularly cold, doesn't take your breath away, but as you spend more time in there, it definitely does start to creep up on you. But don't be expecting any luxuries like a shower or anything like that. You basically get changed in a shipping container. But it serves its purpose and it's absolutely fine. So if you're nearby, have a go, have a swim. Costs about £7. If you want to take a wetsuit, you take a wetsuit. And I think next time I will, just to be able to spend a bit longer in the water. But other than that, there's people scuba diving. People are scuba diving in there as well, so plenty to see and do if you're into that sort of thing. So anyway, hope that's inspired you to go off, find somewhere nice to swim, get out in nature.